Welcome to Skin Nova.
Coconut fiber broom, or known as 100-year broom, is folk wisdom that has been passed down for generations to come. For hundreds of years, combined with a broom that is durable, can be used for a long time, until some users even say that when will this broom be destroyed, so he dubbed it the 100-year broom. The uniqueness of the 100-year-old broom is in every step of the process from the beginning. The coconut shells are soaked in water for a month. It takes up to 10 coconuts to get a coconut fiber to make a broomstick. The handle is made of red thorns. It is a naturally occurring weed. Because red thorns are of good quality, strong, not moth-proof, and most importantly, it has a beautiful natural pattern. Raw materials and ingredients. 1. Dried coconut husks, using the fiber part. 2. Red thorn wood handles. 3. Palm rattan. 4. Hook loop. Skin Nova is first company in Thailand who got the approval from USPTO in Virginia, USA to certify registered trademark. Don't miss a chance to order now.